Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will learn about the Google Docs application, and I'll let to show you the way how you can create a professional resumes through applying some jobs with this application. Open the application first and log in or sign in with your account. So basically this application is connected or based on Google account, so you just need to open it with your Google account here, and then you just need to go click this plus button and go click choose templates, and they will bring you into this all templates collection. On the top side there will be an options to create a CV or resume, so you just have to pick the template that you want to use here. Make sure that you pick the best one. So actually all of those templates is the best, and it's for professional purposes, so you just need to you don't need to worry about it. So I will let the show you with this type of resume. Just go click it, and then they will bring you into this template right away. Now the next thing you need to do is editing all of the information here based on the third experience of you. So here you just need to go click this button to start editing. Start from your name. You just need to tap it twice and just adding your name. And then you just need to type the work expert that you are doing right now. Let's say here you are a content creator, so you just need to type content creator, and so on and so on. Then you just need to follow everything in this template. Start adding again about your name and your address, number, and your email, and give a short description about you. What are you expert in? What kind of job that you want to apply to, and what the skills that can support the job that you are applying to. And then here is the experience of work. So you just need to type the experience of work that you did before you apply in this job. Start from the last job that you have or you run before resigned, and then you just need to scroll down again, and then there will be the educational sections or background. You just need to type from the last education that you have. If you are an undergraduate, so you just need to type the name of the college and your focus here, and move into the left side. There will be other informations about words here, so you can also just type what words that you just have for the rest or the time that you have here. Whenever you're done, you just need to click this checklist button and you're done. So that is the way how you can create a professional resumes only with a Google Docs application. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.